Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to open up or close your sunroof in your 2019 Range Rover Sport V8 Supercharged. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the top console next to the rear view mirror, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on this one right here, which opens up the sunroof. And what you could do is you could just stop it anywhere you'd want if you want to have a preference like that. But if not, you could have it all the way back. It is a panoramic sunroof, so you get the full view. And this button right here on next to it opens up the actual sunroof. So if you want to have the open air experience, you are free to do so, just like that. And it does have the air blockers, I guess you could say, to keep the air from making such a noise. And then let me close it again for you guys. And it will have it on that mode, which has it open just a little bit. What you're gonna do, close it again, and then close this one to close your sunroof all the way. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.